Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to increase LinkedIn profile impressions in the US market step by step in 2026. Targeting a specific market like the United States requires strategic optimization of your profile, activity, and network. Simply having a profile is not enough. Recruiters and decision makers use filters like location, skills, and experience. Step 1. Set your location to the US. Go to your profile, edit your location, and select United States. Recruiters searching by location will now see your profile in search results. Step 2. Optimize your headline with US relevant keywords. Include your role, top skills, and industry-specific terms popular in the US, for example, software engineer, React and Node.js, full stack developer, open to opportunities USA. Step 3. Complete your profile fully. Profiles with missing sections rank lower. Include experience, education, certifications, projects, and volunteer work. Add US specific experience if applicable, like internships, contracts, or remote US projects. Step 4. Add and optimize skills. Include skills that are in high demand in the US market. Recruiters filter candidates by these skills. Get endorsements from colleagues or clients to boost credibility. Step 5. Use US-focused keywords strategically. Think like a recruiter in the US. What terms would they search for? Include these keywords naturally in your headline, summary, experience, and skills sections. For example, instead of just marketing, use digital marketing, SEO, Google Ads, social media strategy, USA market. Step 6. Engage with US-based content and networks. Post, comment, and share articles related to your industry in the US. Engaging with local thought leaders signals activity and relevance to the US market. Step 7. Grow your US-based network. Connect with colleagues, alumni, and professionals located in the US. Profiles with more US-based connections rank higher in regional searches. Step 8. Turn on open to work selectively. Enable recruiter-only visibility. This signals availability to US recruiters without alerting your current employer. Step 9. Post with US relevant hashtags and content. Use hashtags like hashtag US jobs, hashtag tech jobs USA, or hashtag marketing USA when posting. This increases your reach to professionals and recruiters in the US's. Step 10. Update your profile regularly. Add new skills, achievements, or certifications relevant to US employers. Active updated profiles are favored by LinkedIn's algorithm and appear more often in searches. By following these steps, you can increase your LinkedIn profile impressions in the US market, attract recruiters, and grow your professional opportunities faster. And that's how to increase LinkedIn profile impressions in the US market step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LinkedIn growth and career optimization tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.